Hello, this is Sheshachalam from Astroguide Mysore. So, how do you know or come to know whether you have a Dhana Yoga in your chart? So, usually the normal reference would be that you would see the second house for the house of wealth, and then you would see the 11th house, the house of profit. You would associate these two houses along with the fifth lord and the fifth house. So from the ascendant, you see the second, the fifth, and the 11th houses, and if they are strongly posited in collaboration, that is, they mutually should have position, aspect, and conjunction. So what are these PAC? Position, aspect, and conjunction. So position, if the second lord is placed in the second house, so due to its positional advantage, it will give excellent results. Aspect, if the second lord is aspected by the fifth lord, which is sitting in the eighth house, it gives you a very strong Dhana Yoga. Though it is the eighth house, the lord which is sitting in the eighth house, the fifth lord, aspecting the second lord which is sitting in the second house. So the aspectual strength is 100% because it is a seventh aspect. So what is conjunction? So let us take the second lord and the fifth lord both sitting in the 11th house. Oh, wonderful Dhana Yoga. So there are a list of Dhana Yogas, various Dhana Yogas, which will give you different kinds of, pathways to earn wealth. Not everybody will be able to earn wealth in the same routine job. Some people will be in business, some people will be consultants, some people will be in regular jobs, and some will be, suddenly getting lotteries, some will be getting ancestral property, and some, by virtue of luck, they will suddenly enhance their own property. Like, for example, somebody has bought a plot but would not have built a house, and suddenly after 10 years they come to know that it has, multiplied like 40 times, 50 times. They make wonderful money out of it. So Dhana Yoga means there is excellent wealth in the chart. Thank you.